Today, I'll talk about 8 side hustles. Some of these are offline and some are online, but every young man can do this. I hope this video will change you positively. You do not need to leave your job or study for this because you can do it as a part-time job. So, stay with me. Let's move. Number 1. Join a focus group or practice in a poll. Want to get paid for sharing your opinion? Not a bad way to make extra money. Join a focus group or check out service sites like mypoints.com and SurveyJunk. Keep in mind that these sites are looking for something really specific when picking people, so you may not be able to participate in every survey you see. It's also not an easy option as you may have to complete several surveys before you can cash out, but it's an easy way to earn a little extra. Number 2. Become a photographer. People with smartphones seem to think of themselves as professional photographers, but if you have real photography talent, use your skills to make money. People need pictures all year round, but you have to think about seasonal marketing. Some are early for senior photos, family portraits for Christmas cards, spring Easter photos and more. Provide a low but not too low rate first to build your skill and customer list. You can even ask your friends to pose for you if you want a shot at your website. Another way to earn money by photography is to sell your click pictures on shutterstock.com. When people use your picture, you will earn money. Number 3. Do work for people. Are you good at quick fixes and running tasks? People pay you to complete their honey-do list through sites like TaskRabbit and Handy. It can do everything from hanging shelves to assembling furniture. And if you are a certified plumber or electrician looking for additional jobs, Handy has those jobs too. Number 4. Sell items on Etsy. Are you smart? Then maybe you could sell some clever stuff on Etsy. Whether it's jewelry, a head square, paintings, or inspirational handprints, Etsy is the perfect place to sell what you love. Setting up your profile easily and listing your products is easy. Etsy charge $0.20 per item and take a percentage of the sale price. But it's worth it because people trust to buy items on Etsy. Additionally, you can purchase shipping labels on Etsy. This means you can deliver anything from your mailbox. That means you do not need to go to post office. This will make your work easier. Number 5. Clean the house. Cleaning your home can be a daunting task, but if you don't mind getting your hand dirty, this could be the perfect solution for you. We all need to clean our homes and many people want to pay some to clean them. Please take this opportunity. Low initial cost. You will need a few tools and supplies, and some picky homeowners may even provide products for you to use. Burn calories while listening to music, audiobooks or podcasts. You can earn money while burning. Win. Number 6. Dog walker and pet seats. As you know, people have pets, but they do not have time to walk them. How will it be if you do this to someone? In return, you can earn money from them. Comment below if you are a pet lover. That is enough for you to do this work. What if you could turn your love for animals into a victory? You can get pets while your furry parents aren't around, or find a few customers with dogs you can walk for the week. You can advertise your pet sitting business on social media. Put up billboards in your neighborhood. Post at work or use websites like Rover and Bag. They can set your schedule and adjust your rate, but they will cut them from your salary. Try advertising your business. Number 7. Babysitter. You may have been a babysitter when you were young, but even as an adult, you can still earn money as a child care worker. Parents always need babysitters for dates and busy days. Say it and tell anyone you know that you are willing to babysit the kids for a fee of course. And hey, do you have kids of your own? And are you worried that this is too far away from them? Some families are a tool if you are bringing your kids. They end play date. You get paid for the score. Number 8. I teach English. Don't let the word teaching her fool you. Keep reading. Introducing a website here. With this website, weebipkit.com. All lesson plans and grades are done. All you need is a desire to help others learn and the time to teach online courses. Again, a great way to get paid for helping others. If you enjoyed the video and learned from it, give a thumb up to this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment on what topic you want next video. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you.